probably be in just a little bit.
Okay. This side.
Francisco,
get over here. Alright, buddy. Everyone wants to go on a date with you. Anyone you say no to dies. I'm gonna press that button.
I'll press it.
Wow, 48% people don't want to date. Watching ad. Who's Green Day?
Huh?
Who's Green Day?
Who's Green Day?
Yeah, who's Green Day? Why? What is Green Day? You become intelligent. This is for you.
Wait!
No.
See it!
Behind the line.
I'm looking at it.
Don't get her. I haven't read it. Alright, we're gonna press the button just for you. Taunt. You can morph into anything you want. You can only eat Pop-Tarts. Press the button.
You can morph into a speaker.
Well then, who wants to pet dragon?
Me. What's the consequence?
You have to feed it live humans. Yep.
No, I'm what?
Behind the line.
Cousins that I hate.
I'm not following the textbook rule today.
Meh.
I was about to
Live in the Pokemon world and see them, but you can't catch them. That's bad. What's the point? You can launch a missile at your enemy.
You can just download Pokemon Go.
You launch a missile at your enemy, but there's a 25% chance it'll mess up and target you. Press the button, boy. I don't care if it targets me. We kill the enemy. Shit.
I'll just be in their room with them. So if that 25% targets me, it'll still kill
If it ends up targeting you, run to them like, target me though.
and just jump out the window once it's found out.
How dare they?
What?
You rule the world and have magic and can do anything you want that is possible, realistic or not. But you are no longer able to use the internet or TV. Use the internet or TV, and even though you have all the power, you are not powerful enough to change this rule. It's not worth it. It's not worth it, man. The internet is love and life. You cannot live without
You'll
that.
get raped by a computer.
I don't care.
You know?
You will be remembered forever. You will be hated. I don't give a shit if I'm hated or not.
How about you try to find a new technology?
How long is left?
You'll get to live in a cool adventure video game as an NPC. It's not worth it.
Why not?
NPCs suck ass. You get $1 million each year for the rest of your life, but random jump scares will appear in your mind, accompanied by sound as well. Who cares? Press that button.
Depending, are they horrifying or not?
You become the happiest person on earth, but you swap bodies with the person you hate the most.
No.
Nope. More series of Breaking Bad are made, even better than the previous one, but you see spoilers before you get to watch them.
Don't care. I want to see the whole scene.
You become the most rich and famous person in the world, but you will die of drug overdose in 20 years. Jeez. Yeah.
Yeah, at least you can live your life in the jacuzzi inside of